everybody. In this video, we will see what we're going to cover during the week 1 of this course. During this week, we're going to cover 3 modules. Module 1, 2, and 3. Module 1 have to deal with the welcome and general course information. Here you're going to have some intro videos. You're going to have a video about me. You're going to have a video about this course, and you're going to have a video about this is going to happen this week. Okay, then you have a welcome message about intermediate algebra. Meet your instructor. You're going to have an online the online PowerPoint presentation based on this intro video. Then you're going to have a lot of stuff that you have to go step by step. Okay, and read and go deeply in the information you're going to have here. This is something, everything is important, but look at this one. Time commitment is a very important message. Okay, what's the time demand for this class? It's then easy to presume that the online course necessary less time and some other information. And something that say if you're not willing to allocate a minimum of 180 hours to this course, it might be worth reconsidering your enrollment. You have to dedicate a lot of time to all your stuff and also, of course, to this course. Then you have how to use Canvas, some student resources. What about the course resources, PowerPoint presentations, optional videos? For example, if you go here, you're going to have the information about what would be the resources you're going to have in this course. For example, the main thing here is that all the lectures are going to be in PowerPoint presentations. You will have optional videos, you will have practice set videos, and you will have open educational resources. You're not going to have a book. You're going to have open educational resources that I'm going to recommend some of them, but remember you have in your fingers the biggest library in the universe, which is internet. Okay, then remember that you're gonna have 4 kind of assignments. One would be discussion questions, quizzes, the written exams, and also the final exam. About the discussion question, remember, discussion question is going to be one situation, let's say one problem. So you will have to solve this problem, and then you will have to respond to 2 of your peers in what we call a substantive way. What is a substantive way? Well, you have here all the information. It's something that will let me know that you understand the topic you're dealing with. It's not that you're gonna respond to your peer, and I know that answer. This is beautiful. Now I can sleep. No, okay. For example, something like say, okay, remember that the linear function is blah 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 blah, and so on. But something that let me understand and that you understand the topic. Then you will have quizzes also. You will have every week. You will have discussion question and quizzes. And quizzes is going to be 10 questions about what you're going to deal during that week. You're going to have only one choice to answer, but if you fail in one answer, I will give you the chance to correct that answer write it in a piece of paper and email it to me, and I will give you full credit. Also, let me know that maybe you're going to have some kind of typo, mistakes, and don't worry, I will give you full credit, okay? And also remember, you're going to have 4 written exams using Respondus lockdown browser, and the final exam will be taken in person, okay? Remember that one. Okay, then here you will have also another important thing is the course calendar. The course calendar, you can see in advance what we are going to cover every week. okay? The date, what we're gonna cover every week, the assignments, and the due date and time. So you can save it, print it, and keep it with you. Then you're gonna have a concourse syllabus quiz. Then during this same week, we're gonna start with Unit 1, in this case with Module 2 and Module 3. Module 1, this means that Unit 1 is gonna be covered in 4 modules, from 2 to 5. But this week, we're gonna start with Module 2, which is Function Review. Here you will have the PowerPoint presentation. And look at this one. So you have to wait for the presentation to open. If not, refresh your screen. Okay, here you have the PowerPoint presentation. Please use the PowerPoint application, no Google form. Okay, why? Because with using PowerPoint, you will have all the animation I created in this presentation, and you will have to click one step by step. Okay, sorry because my English. Okay, so for example, look at this one. Quantity for a car loan, 2 primary factor, blah 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 blah, and then look step by step. Be patient and internalize the information you're gonna have here. Okay. In this module, we will review the concept of functions. Okay, let me see. Let's see this one, for example. For example, about function, one step at a time. What is function? Function, single variable. What is we're going to cover this week? Is a single variable function is a process of correspondence relating to quantities in which each input value generates exactly one output value, and so on. Okay? So during this module also, we will learn about identifying what is a function, identifying function, understand the properties, evaluate functions, solve function equations, and work with different types of functions. This review is crucial as it lays the foundation for more complex topics. Okay, great. Then here you will have some materials, recommended materials, support material for this unit. For example, the open research, and you can find whatever you want, but this is one of my recommendations. Okay, and then you will have videos. Okay, so it's up to you to go to those videos if you want. Okay, and then you have a forum here just in case you have any kind of questions about function review. Can come here and answer and make your questions. Okay, ask your question. Then this week also we're going to cover module 3, which deal with inverse functions, practical domain, practical range, vertical intercept, and horizontal intercept. Here you will have also the same another. Okay, PowerPoint presentation. Remember, if this is not open at the first time, okay, here it opens. Okay, so inverse function, remember again, using PowerPoint. Okay, and click one step. Then you will have also a review for the previous unit. Okay, some important definitions. What is a function? Remember that was from unit 2. What is a function? Okay, evaluating a function. This is from unit 2. Okay, and for unit 3, what is an inverse function? Remember step by step. Okay? Okay. Let me see what else. And remember, then you will have the support material for the for the unit 1 module 3. And here we have something to reinforce your understanding, which is check your understanding section. This section includes practice problems designed to test your grasp of the materials. Okay, this is for your benefit and will not be collected. But if you want to be successful on the exam and quizzes, it is your best interest to work through this material. For example, here you will have, it's up to you to answer this activity. But let me tell you something. And here, wait. And here also you will have, in case you have any kind of problem, if you have any kind of problem solving this, here you will have the solutions. And also you will have some videos explaining the solution for those problems. And let me tell you something else. If you want some extra credit, I will give you the chance to get some extra credit. You can solve those problems, email it to me, and I will give you some extra credit. And finally, you will have to complete, you have some due dates here for this week, discussion questions, and the quiz number 1. This is everything. So you can see that this week you're going to be very busy with this course, and also I know that you will have another courses to deal with. Okay, so I'm excited to embark on this learning journey with you. Let's make this semester a successful and enriching experience. And then if you have any question, please let me know as soon as you can. Okay?